So we just got done being at the mechanic. So now we're on our way to Soledad for Carmeet at Dutch Bros. So let's go ahead and get this on the road. So I'm gonna stop by at Gonzalez real quick and get some food, and I'll be back. So just got done eating, and now we're going to Soledad. By the way, I love going early to get a good spot. So that's another thing about me. Welcome back, everyone. So we're in Soledad at Dutch Bros, as you can see in the little background. Here at the Carmeet, which is popping. Yeah.
Join me.
Yeah.
We out here. IBH right here. Fucking Soledad, Dutch. If you're not here, you're missing out.
That's right.
You know what
You tell them.
We're out here. Shit. They broke rules first, alright?
Exactly.
Yeah.
If they're gonna break the rules first, then fucking we're gonna.
Yeah. The rugs, like custom rugs. Yeah. Yeah, walking around.
I make them myself. Check it out. Take a card, I have a card right here. My number's right there, the IG's on the back. Scan it.
So even like Mickey Mouse?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Check out the page, there's a bunch of custom shit on the page.
I read got his Instagram last time.
I know you like Mickey Mouse. You gotta
Oh!
I'm like, hell yeah.
yeah, I can do like.
My kitchen is Mickey Mouse.
Send me the picture, like the exact picture you want, and I'll give you like a little estimate or whatever.
Yeah, there's like so many cars. I mean, it's like a good area. Yeah. I mean, I understand if it's like really packed. What do you expect from Mustangs though? What color's your wrap?
Or pink champagne.
Is it champagne? That is really cool. Yeah, one day I'll have my car wrapped. Yes, all of us. One day.
Next year.
Next year, maybe. Once I get money. In time.
It's not turning on yet?
Oh, it's on. It's been on this whole time.
I thought it was too hold up like this.
Oh, yeah. Oh, this camera is like the DJI Osmo. Yeah, 4K. I like it. It's like so compact. Like I bought the whole pack with it. Like microphone, handle, tripod.
Yeah, as long as you're like strapped in.
Yeah. You as long as you have a harness, then you could record.
And I think you have to have a license, like to be licensed to do that.
I think so.
That has to be your business.
Yes.
Like you're the owner of. Yeah. Should we going this way?
I love it. Oh, sometimes I do. Sometimes, yeah. I do like little reels too. Yeah. I have like my GoPro.
We need to do like little rollers.
We gotta like. I just want someone to like record it.
Did you see the girl from LA? Fucking, she goes in the back of the trunk, and then she's like doing.
Here's the IVH group. Yeah. Hey. Sorry. Me. I'm recording.
Yeah.
Your voices are? No, I do too.
When I saw the picture, well, I was like,
And that's a wrap. So it was a great turnout. Really cool. And now it's empty.